Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy, where we make complex technical topics very simple and fun. In today's session, I will talk about images, not just the kind you take with your phone, but how those images are actually stored, understood, and processed by a computer. You see, when we look at a photo, we see colors, shapes, and objects, but a computer sees something very different, just a grid of numbers. So, in this video, I will explore what an image really in terms of data, how images are stored as pixels, and how each pixel holds color or brightness values. The difference between black and white, grayscale and color images, and how we can load and manipulate these images using Python with the PIL library. So whether you are starting your journey in image processing, computer vision, or just curious about how apps and devices deal with pictures, you are in the right place. So let's dive in and uncover the digital side of the images we see every day. So basically an image is a 2D function where each point maps to an intensity or color value. A point in the image, basically it is called a pixel. And single channel images like binary, grayscale use one value per pixel. We will also see other types of images and colored images like red, green, blue, that is also called RGB, use three values per pixel: red, green, and blue. Digitalization of an image. So to process image on a computer, they must be digitized in space and amplitude. That is a signal processing related concept, but I will not deep dive. And image sampling, digitization of spatial coordinates, that is called image sampling. Gray level quantization, digitization of amplitude. And basically pixel values are often integers and ranges from 0 to 255 or floats 0 to 1. Now images are stored as files with various formats like JPEG and PNG, and more like JPG, and there are many formats. Files contain metadata and pixel data and often stored as arrays. Grayscale 2D array like width and height, RGB 3D array width, height, and 3 channels. So 3D array, 2D or 3D array is basically it depends on the image type. Like here, black and white, 1 bit per pixel. You can see that here an image. So if 0 so white, 1 so black. Now grayscale image, 8 bits per pixel. So these values will range from any value 0 to 255. 0 to 255. So each pixel have 8 bits. Now RGB, so it has 3 channels. So red, green channel and blue. So height width and 3 channels. So that is a 3D array. So RGB image would be stored in 3D array. Basically you can see that just images are a function of two variables x and y, or you can say that just pixel values. What is image processing? So basically it refers automatic processing. That means that would be processed automatically. Manipulation, also image analysis and interpretation, both, that uses algorithm and code, that is called image processing. And it has several applications: photography, robotics, remote sensing, medical diagnostic, industrial inspection, and also in content generation. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube is also, you can consider as sequence of images as video. So they handle daily uploaded images. Industries innovate and apply many image processing algorithms to process user uploaded content. So now let us see how we can open an image or display an image using PIL library from the disk. So we will use open function from PIL and it returns an image object. I will also show you the code, and we will access the width, height, mode, format of image object, and we will use show method to display the image. And this is the whole program, and we will get this output. Basically this one is an image of disease, means you can say that disease of brown spot on paddy leaf. So let us see that you will get the output this one. So I have written Python code already. So this one is the code, and the image name is brown val1.jpg image, and it will print image width, height, mode, format, type, and it will show finally. So let us run it and see the output. So it will just show the image here, width, height, here RGB. You can see that here image is showing. So I can show you here image is being shown here. So here you can see that width, height, mode, RGB, format JPEG, type, this is object. So all are given here. Now let us see a function or method convert in PIL that converts a color image RGB to grayscale, and after conversion the grayscale image can be saved using save method, and we can load them using open method of image class. Okay. So see that here the code is given, 3 lines of code. Just I will add this code in the first one and we will get this output. That means grayscale image, we will get this image grayscale. So grayscale image we will get. So let us run the program and see it. So program second one I have made. So this one, let us clear the output area. There, see that here. We'll import image module, and thereafter we will open brownwell.jpg. Thereafter we will print the property that we have printed in the last program, and we will see. Thereafter image object, and we will use convert L that is for a grayscale. So we'll save it brownwell gr.jpg. So that is actually grayscale image and it is being saved. Therefore you have to open to see it. So let us see it. So I'm showing you. Let me minimize it, and here it is. Let us cut it. See that this is the grayscale image what I was talking about. So we can convert. So in image processing video lecture series you will see conversion, enhancement, filters, convolution operations, so that you can train a machine learning algorithm using image data without any problem. So understanding image data is very important for image classification or even image generation. So grayscale image, you have seen that how it is converted. Now if you are interested, so visit www.postnetwork.co. This is the official website of PostNetwork Academy. YouTube channel you can visit and handle is PostNetwork Academy. Facebook page you can visit for a post and videos. LinkedIn page and also GitHub repositories to download codes. So hope you understood and you will subscribe channel and visit pages of social media. Thanks for watching the video.